Understanding Confidential Process, a guide to privacy and security. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad phrases. Today, we're exploring the meaning behind the term confidential process. This concept is vital in many areas of our lives, from the workplace to personal interactions, ensuring privacy and security. Stay with us as we uncover the layers of confidentiality and how it impacts various processes. A confidential process refers to any procedure or operation that is meant to be kept private or secret. This could involve handling sensitive information, discussions, or activities that are not disclosed to the public or unauthorized persons. The key components of a confidential process are trust, discretion, and the assurance that the information or activities involved are securely managed. Confidentiality plays a crucial role in maintaining trust between parties, whether in business, legal matters, or personal relationships. It ensures that sensitive information, such as personal data, trade secrets, or legal discussions, is protected against unauthorized access, use, or disclosure. This protection helps in preventing harm, such as financial loss, reputation damage, or personal distress, stemming from the misuse of confidential information. 1. Employee evaluations. In the workplace, performance reviews and employee evaluations are kept confidential to protect the privacy of employees and maintain a trustful work environment. 2. Medical records. The healthcare industry relies heavily on confidentiality to safeguard patients' personal and health information, ensuring it's only accessible by authorized personnel. 3. Legal agreements. Confidentiality agreements or non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, are legal contracts that prohibit the sharing of information deemed sensitive or proprietary. Maintaining confidentiality involves a series of measures and practices. These include secure communication channels, using encrypted emails or messages to share sensitive information. Access control, limiting information access to authorized individuals only. Training and awareness, educating all parties involved about the importance of confidentiality and how to protect sensitive information. Understanding and respecting the concept of a confidential process is fundamental in various aspects of life. It not only protects sensitive information but also fosters a culture of trust and security. We hope this video has illuminated the importance and implementation of confidentiality. Remember, safeguarding privacy is a responsibility we all share. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay curious and keep learning.